Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. I finally got some pictures in here and added embellishments, and this was using the 12 by 12 fast album formula. You can find the link to the 12 by 12 fast album formula as well as part 1 of showing you how to put it all together in the description below. So here I've added my photos, I've added the journaling, and I've added embellishments. You'll notice that this is sketch 2 and this is my layout sketch 2, and it's not exact as far as how I put the pictures. Sometimes you need to do that. You can adjust them. You don't have to do it exactly like the sketches. So that's why you'll see a little bit of a variation. This is a very simple album. I didn't use any photo mats behind my pictures, maybe just a couple. I did use a peekaboo pocket here. I did save space. This is not necessarily in chronological order. It's just different wine tastings that we've done and places that we've been. So it gives me the flexibility to add more pages and add more pictures along the way. So I still have some blank pages in the back, and that's okay because I'm sure I will go wine tasting again very soon. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Happy scrapping. For more ideas and inspiration, visit adashofstory.com.